Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn you sound words. Sun sun means Suraj. Jug jug means jug. Hut hut means jhopri. Bun bun means pav roti. Bull bulbul means sal. Gun gun means banduk. Now read the words in each column. Jug 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 means jug. Mug mug means mug. Bug bug means kira. Hug hug means gale lagana. Bun bun means pav roti. Fun fun means manoranjan. Gun gun means banduk. Run run means dorna. Bull bulbul means sal. Full full means bhara hua. Pull pull means khinchna. Null null means vyarth. Hut hut means jhopri. Cut means katna. But means lekin. Nut means akhrot. Purs means purse. House house means ghar. Mouse means chuha. Spouse means jeevan sathi. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.